If Xero jargon has you lost and other tutorials don't explain the why, you found the right place. Welcome to Burton's Academy. During this session, I will briefly show you the bank account on Xero. So starting on the dashboard screen, we can see our bank accounts listed on the left-hand screen. Alternatively, we can access our bank accounts by clicking Accounting and Bank Accounts. And when here, you will see the full list of your bank accounts. The dashboard may only have a few of your bank accounts. So if you don't see them on the dashboard screen, enter it this way. And we'll go into our business bank account. So we'll click on the name and we'll go to Reconcile screen. And on the Reconcile screen, what you'll notice is your bank statement feeds are on the left. So this is everything that is specifically mentioned on your bank account. And then on the right will be whether there is an invoice or bill, or for example, you've had a transaction like this similar to the past, and Xero is suggesting this is a location you might want to key it to. Alternatively, you will have boxes similar to this one that is blank, and you need to fill in all of this information. So you either import your bills and invoices, so you have green boxes like this top one, and you can just click OK on every transaction. You enter them manually like we have on this one, and then you can use the rules that Xero identifies you have previously used and suggests options. So it tells you this is where I think you might want to code it. Alternatively, if you have set up rules within Xero to say any of my transactions that are from 7-Eleven and £15.50, I want to be coded to a certain place. That is this rule. So again, I could click OK. And there you have it. Ready to master Xero and accounting? Subscribe now to gain access to more expert videos from Burton's Academy. See you soon.